It's time to take naps in the garden.
No, it's time to work hard. Spring is fast approaching. Here's 5 things to know to get ready for spring. Step 1, test and prep your soil. We want to work smarter, not harder. If we put a bunch of effort into planting a garden, but the pH is off, the plants are literally going to shrivel and die. So step 1, test your pH. See how much organic matter is in the soil. If we have to add compost or lime, get it done now so you have a little bit of time off for that lime to filter into the soil so you're not burning up your plants. Plan your garden layout. Now this comes from the plants that you like to eat. We don't want plants that are gonna interact negatively with each other. We want a companion plant for the biggest growth. Plant your carrots, your tomatoes together. Plant monocrops, not monocrops. Do not plant monocrops yet.
Oh, you said it. I have it on camera. You said.
Are we planting them on contour? What is our garden gonna look like? Are we using keyhole beds? Are we using hugelkultur? All of this needs to happen before it's time to get those plants into the ground. Step 3, start your seedlings indoors, whether that's a greenhouse, a windowsill, or under a grow light in your basement. Bottom line, your seeds won't survive this winter into springtime and the harsh weather that's associated with it. A lot of plants don't even go to fruit unless you start them indoors. So you want the most variety in your garden, you gotta start your plants indoors or buy them from a reputable nursery near you. Set up an irrigation system, whether that's intentional planting through terraces or hoses or a drip irrigation or like a traditional lawn sprinkler. How are you getting water on your plants in the times of drought or when there's not enough rain to get the most amount of growth? Now's the time to plan that. Last step, clean and maintain your tools and make sure they're ready to go. You should have put them away in the fall time without a lot of dirt on them, but now's the time to sharpen your shovels. You need to make sure that your equipment is ready to go so you're not going to the repair shop when it's flooded with people. So if you've forgotten all those 5 points already, click the link below and download our Spring Success Guide. Or better yet, join us every Wednesday with our Homestead Mastermind. We meet with like-minded homesteaders and we talk about how to build abundance for ourselves. We want you to share and learn from our successes and failures so that you can do it cheaper, faster, better. Go. Step 3, start your seedlings indoors. I've forgotten what we were talking about just a second ago. All right, you still rolling? Step 3, plant and I can deliver that line better.